switch, you no change one. Yeah. Shut up, boy, know if you no day one.
I sing you pretty like a mother baby. She make me feel.
Better know, say when you're soft, you get overthrown.
What the sun down the nose? What we got to do with bad mind? What we do with some Yeah. Sing it. Yeah. Let's do it.
Start this video off by saying I love Vybz Kartel. That's my boss. One boss, world boss, you get it. However, that is not Vybz Kartel.
Talk about mental health. Tell them say I got on well, yeah. Me na buy vegan, me shoot mosquito.
There's a lot of politics around some of these events, especially because like there's still like pending lawsuits with VP.
Young lady, true story, resides with her man, and the young miss has a secret.
Anybody have a potential kid? The man who used to sing about fucker them, there and then, you're not no artist to me. You probably want a job, but you're not no artist. We're singing about fucker. Normally, I want to talk to the artist them upfront and personal. You, me not even in my classroom. I want you out to do. You know, we used to go to school and we did bad read and teacher put in our son to stand up. And there's someone said about ask potential kid a question. Because potential kid, what make you write this or who write this give you sing? Because I live in freedom. Eh? Yes. I must think that I go bus in at 2025 for going back on tour. As a man on the ship, because see man and your wife on the still each other. And no, not fucking same when you have your wife, you know. I will bust up liberty over here. Or a vendetta, myself. Strictly vendetta, myself.
And you were like draped up and dragged up for it.
To the level to be listed among some other person of interest,
Yeah.
where like real people
Real
where do
person of
things,
interest.
yeah, where do things in the
Yeah.
street and what have you. That was really a rough one. You know, when that day when I saw when someone brought it to my attention, say,
That you bring Jesus to the gun and Savior. Me are the best people father in a Jamaica.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, Pepper Kid is back again with the next epic one. Yo, people, before we go down into this, yo, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, put it on all, ensure that say yo, you know say yo, anytime I drop a video, yeah, first forget it. Yo, today we are going to talk about Kiprich, we are going to talk about Potential Kid, we are going to talk about Vybz Kartel, and a lot more, being the man there, so, you see, P. Yeah, man, we are going to talk about Magnum, same way, you see, P. Yeah, man. Big thing going over here, so we are talk about some bag of people, some bag of things over here, so about cartel and thing. Whole heap of people over here, so whole heap of name in the car, you see, P. Yeah, man, just jump in the footage, you see me? And one and make it a few, don't. Yeah, man, match brain settings. Yeah, man, we are get down in this. Yes, viewers and subscribers, yo, we think mad over here. Yeah, man, we are talk about Potential Kid over here, so you see, P. Yeah, man, one lady come out and I say, yo, who is Potential Kid? You see, P. Yo, who ain't get that song there from? Who advise him to sing it? Yo, who tell him say it's a sensible song? Yeah, man, yes, so nice, yes, so nice, yes, so nice. Ja. Yo, I know my business that still. We don't have to listen, you see, P. Yeah, man, so we are talking about Vybz Kartel, you know. Them people are always a bash Vybz boss enough and them come out, you know, yo, them now look at the dark t-shirt. But yo, man, so no, we have to listen, you know. Being the man come out and them say king of dancehall, ja. They say so-called king of dancehall. Yo, one of my business that. You see, P, ja, yo. The thing I get wild over here, sir. Yo, a girl come out and I say, yo, Kartel and favorite artist, in respect Kartel to the ground. Magnum always a throw film shade, so you know him have to come out with a little thing. I play one little song and I do him little style and you know, throw him little shades from Vybz Kartel over there. You know, because I want film highlighting and my business that. Being the man go up on a stage show and rap the stage show, them I say king so-called king of dancehall that. But one of my business that. Yeah, people, when they get down in the list, 911 and chat a bag of things about a lady, I say, yo, she usually sell the nush, you see me? Get pregnant by one client them and be things are going over there. So 119 I say. You see me? Yo, I can't believe. Yo, as when I see the lady as a potential kid, that song done already. You see, yo, over here so wild. Yo, Cartel always I get bashed on many sides same way, yo. People, listen what Kiprich have to say about film arrest, you see, it's rough, you know. But here we go on. Yo, Kiprich, wise up in the ZP, cause here we go on. The system not like with no time at all, bro. You see it? So here we go on. I still know my business that. Yo, we just have to live in a system, you see me? Yeah, man, we just have to live with where I go on, you see me? We can't do nothing about that. Keep it, yo, you may say. Stand up strong for your foot, man, you see it? Yeah, man. You know, just do anything, people, yo. Like, subscribe, and share. Get down in them video. When you finish, you just jump down in the comment section, leave an opinion. Love the support. Big up on yourself. Stay safe. Yeah, man. Pepper Kid again.
Anybody remember Potential Kid? The man that used to sing about fuck them. There and then, you know no artist to me. I probably want a job, but you know no artist. We sing about fuck. Normally, I want to talk to the artist them upfront and personal. You, me not even in my classroom. I want you out to do. You know, we used to go to school and we did bad read and teacher put in our son to stand up. And there's someone said about ask Potential Kid a question. Because Potential Kid, what make you write this or who write this give you sing? Because I live in freedom. Yes, Potential Kid. One part in a song where you say, before you turn a team and I prefer turn a paper. You could have changed that and said before you turn a batty man rather turn a shooter or something like so. But remember Potential Kid? We can't take you serious after me that part of song they write this so. Because this was living for God no, me not tell a lie. Anybody see Potential Kid? There's someone talk to him right at a classroom doorway. Me not tell no lie Potential Kid. Cause why? And I who write this girl for sing.
I sing you pretty like a mother baby. She make me feel. I love Vybz Kartel. That's my boss. One boss, world boss, Jigga. However, that is not Vybz Kartel. That is not Vybz Kartel. Let me tell you that 5 times. That is not Vybz Kartel. Because I know that because I understand he has like the Graves disease or whatever, but that is not Vybz Kartel. They released some next person, like all of a sudden this guy believes in God. However, in interviews he'll say, I don't believe in a God, blah blah blah. And most people in the industry, they don't believe in God. They believe in our God, but they don't believe in our God, like Jesus Christ. They will never say Jesus Christ is my savior. They don't believe in God. And all of a sudden, he believes in God. Like, it's not making sense. And like, you see the industry, they're not just going to release you like that just for the free. There's something going on, and they always release a clone. Because once something like that happens, you're done. Or they'll just release a clone. Because I think Vybz Kartel is like dead. He must be dead because that is not the same Vybz Kartel. I've even been analyzing their lips. I'm like, this is my boss, but that's not my boss at the same time. That's not the word boss, we know. I think that I go boss in a 2025 figure and back in on tour. As a man on the ship, because the man and your wife on the still each other. I know not fucking same when you have your wife, you know. I will boss up liberty over here. Or a vendetta, myself. Strictly vendetta, myself. Alkaline, so we don't know how comes no all of a sudden that you say. You no loyal a blood clot. You no loyal girl. You no loyal a blood clot. You. She want mute me that a fear business. Me a chat over here so. That a fear business. She want blood clot mute me. Boy. When you tell her when she wrong, 4 person 1 rose chat. 4 person 1 rose.
Yeah. I still have someone else to talk to, but recently with this issue in social media, like, you were arrested and this and that, but this dog play thing now. Like, it's for me when I read it, I thought what a load of old rubbish. Since when has now been like the dog plays are now being policed in what you say? I tried to remember we're all like the punters in it, like we're all out here trying to make sense out of nonsense. What did Kiprich say that was wrong? And yet you were like draped up and dragged up for it.
Like to the level to be listed among some other person of interest where like real people where do things, where do things in the street and what have you. Boy, that was really a rough one. You know, when that day when I saw when someone brought it to my attention saying that boy, Kiprich, see them on the internet, you know, say you want it, you know. Yeah, you person of interest. So when we see Nationwide bring it the first time and thing, me I would say as somebody that's a mess about. Because me know how, because before that you have some vlogger where they, you know, like put up some little thing on the internet about whatever and them kind of thing. So me I say, Chuck, I just somebody I mess about, man. Not more than them here, me just do an interview at Nationwide, because me just do an interview at the radio station and leave and go do a next interview, and then when me I leave the other interview now, that's when it was brought to my attention. So when we see it now and think, I say, no, me not pay no mind. I say, a foolishness. That can't possible. Anyway, me get some more call now, my phone start blow up now. I say, yo, you know, so I go on there, so until my police bridge now link me now and I say, yo, what go on? Ray, me see this thing up on the internet everywhere. Me I say, me don't know what go on. Wanna check out what go on for me? And thing I Ray. And them I say, boy, it really not keep out you what go on. You have to go in with the lawyer and thing I Ray. So me hear that now, me get busy on my phone now, me go so boom, me call Sharon Burke now and me start call people now. And I say, yo, look like some problem there. I say no, cause me I hear say me for go in with the lawyer and all of them kind of thing there. Seeing, so now me I feel seek out liar, because when we see it was a Friday night, seeing, and you know, say if you go in on the Friday night, you're not come out until the Monday or the Tuesday. So me say, boy, that's when them tell me. So you know, so other police are tell me that too. Okay, police Bridget.
A young lady, true story, resides with her man, and the young miss has a secret profession where she sells, she does business with other men under the quiet undercover. And do you know that the man where she live with don't know that she have this secret profession going on? Not until one night, while engaging in her secret profession, the prophylactic boss, and if you don't know any prophylactic, are the same condom. He boss during one of her undercover sessions. True story. And the fluid fly up in her, found one of her eggs and fertilized it. She is now pregnant for one of her clients. And the gentleman who she lives with, her main man, her partner, who had not the slightest of ideas that his treasured, prized woman was an undercover lady of the night. Her phone was left, and he went into the phone and saw the messages between she and her baby father client. They having conversations about how he got her pregnant and what they're going to do about it. And she want money to do the dash rebelly. And her man saw that conversation, let me tell you something, see? When 119 come on and tell you something, I don't mix up story, I don't make up story. It's not make up story. It's real mix up me a go right now. Real mix up. And when the man see the conversation in the phone between she and her new baby father client, all hell broke loose. All hell broke loose. The man no make her no wiser. He take a drive out. Drive go to one place, out to one part with her. And back out a long knife. Oh! Yes, sir. Yes, hey, you can depend on 119 in a man. 119 is the real mix-up king. Mix-up governor. The mix-up emperor. That is 119. And I'm going to tell you what happened. When the brother back out the long knife, she frightened. She frightened like, whoa. And I'm telling you, this sounds strange, but it is true. When the brother ready for slaughter, like how you slaughter goat, a hog. He's a lucky girl. She's a lucky woman. Because when the brother ready for slaughter, there's a police vehicle come. She run out in the middle of the road and stop the police vehicle. Run out in the middle of the road and the brother drive away. And whatever happened, but the police them put her in a them vehicle and carry her away. And right now as we speak, she's in fear. She's living in fear because he wants to take her 3 points. And let me tell you this, you see? Enough of no man live with no woman. Prized possession. You put no woman on a pedestal. Think she's a virtuous woman. And 119 can tell you this. Some of them are go all a back road at night time, you know. And when I say back road, I don't mean literally back road, I mean any back road where in any parish. Because you have back road everywhere now. Right around Jamaica, there are some little back road. Some of a woman want to have a wife up, a treasure. You don't know, say, them a go back road. You don't know, say, them a sell. A professional them. Professional sellers. And men don't know. You don't know. Us men, many men can tell you no. Say sometime when they go to patronize these ladies of the night, and when you have conversations with them, they will tell you that them live with them man, and them man don't know what them a do. All the men them who can come in the comment section and confess and confirm what me I say. A lot of times you go to these ladies of the night, and if you have a whole reasoning with them, they will confess to you and tell you, say, they live with them man, and them man don't know that they are ladies of the night. So this little brother, you know, in life turn upside down. He in a turmoil right now as we speak because, hey, he must put himself in some serious trouble. And she live in a fear because she go sell it. And the man where she sell it to, impregnate her. And the brother find out because of her phone left opened. Oh my God, and it is a true story. True story. This is not a make-up story. It is going on right now as we speak. Right now. I mean, no. When they see this, they might go wonder how me know. Yes, sir. When they see this, they might go wonder how 119 know. 119 coming like a jamming tell. Real news carrier. Who don't know what you're jamming tell? No found out what you're jamming tell, you know. But they are going to be flabbergasted, wondering how 119 got the news so fast and so accurately. So fellas, no found out the woman they want to have a wife up and a treasure. They are businesswomen doing business. I don't know, and some of them soon breed by them client. 119.
Say, yo, keep out, don't go in, no matter what, no matter what them tell you, don't go in Friday. And you not come out until you see the judge. And you don't know when you're going to see the judge.
Right.
You see me? And you see when me end up see the judge, like me see the judge like maybe 2 weeks after. Some of that in there up until that time. And that don't make no sense.
No.
You know what I mean? So me get the link now to the lawyer and thing. Me link the lawyer, me and him talk about it. Me get the lawyer now. And thing, and the lawyer said to me, say, alright, you want now. He might go call over there and find out what going on. Because remember, say, at this time, I still don't know what happened.
Yeah.
I just see person of interest and then how them list me. Them list me among the people who tell you, yeah, and they tell you, say, yo, them money we wanted for this and that and Ray, and them talk about some gang thing over some place now. So, no, we don't know what the whole thing is about.
Wow.
See? So, when the lawyer talk to them now, the lawyer say, we have to go in Monday to get the full thing because them a keep like them tightly about the whole thing same way. Him don't know the fullness of everything what go on, but then the said dub plate where them talk about was circulating on social media, seeing, and even my police bridging them start send. Like they send the dub plate to me and I say, yo, this is the only thing where we know, say, boy, like them a talk about at the station and a question about a Ray, but we still don't know what the root of that something is same way, because some of them still even can't believe, say them go that far, that level there with it, because they must say, come on, Kipo, Kipo this, we can't find Kipo, you know what I mean? You can call Kipo and tell Kipo, say, yo, we want to talk to you, know, we see something out there so we're concerning and Ray, one year we have to say, or whatever the case is, and find out how it go, you know what I mean? But when it blew up in the media, them the way they and all about them way they like, boy, me is a criminal, you know, and you know, me against the system and whatever, and it never feel good, you know. So anyway, the lawyer goes a boom now and we go in the Monday with the lawyer and thing, and when the lawyer talk to the police, I see the lawyer face change. When the police start mention like the charges, come here about 3 charges first.
Wow.
Yeah, that's what we're going to hear about 3 charge and thing, and when the lawyer face change, because the term what them I use, me not really understand it, you know, them I use police term or whatever it is and things. So when I see the lawyer face expression change, me know say something serious are going, yes or no. Seeing and the lawyer say, no, I can't do that, no, me need to talk to you. No. Seeing so me I said to him, say, yo, I want to go on. And them I say, yo, me will talk to them, just relax a little bit and thing and Ray. And when them go in and them Ray. And when them go in and them go talk and them come out, them say, all right, them put one of the charge aside. So when them say, me for the question and answer now in a room now and thing, me I say, all right, question and answer. Them say, all right, this police me I go far it from now and things. So me I say, oh, this sounds so now. Some arrest business this now. Right. You see me? And you see them carry me now to a room now and thing now. Me in another room, over another room, still next. Somebody has a question and me I say, okay. So this is one different level it gone to now. Wow. Seeing? So me in the room there and you know, them ask some questions, and the questions them ask as I was advised by my lawyer to say no comment to all the questions them, and that's what me do. I say no comment to all the thing them, you know what I mean? And anyway, them that try give me 2 charges. Them that try give me the cyber thing they charge and but based on the whole thing where them present to the lawyer, I couldn't get that charge because it not fitting.
Right.
Seeing so. The charge now, what them bring it down to, is the one where you hear them have, where say, inciting whatever against the person,
right?
And things. So that's the one where them bring it down to, and things. So I get that charge, they arrested now, get that charge there, and thing and rare. So say the lion no affair seek out the whole bail thing now and rare and things. So I end up get bail. And rare, so that's how we can there. So right now and them way there. And then what do I hear in the first hearing? I quote when that was again, I went what day? But remember the date. The 21st, yeah. So I go court, reach a court and thing, and I go with my 2 lawyer. Come in and get a next lawyer. Cause based on how I see things are going, it's like I can't trust what happened because it confuse me now. So I have 1 lawyer, I end up get a next lawyer. Seeing and the next lawyer when I get to him shout me up to and say, yo, listen me, I want come on board, with that something, so I could talk and thing, and me and him talk, we had a meeting and thing, and I have some good pointers and things, so we secure the lawyer there to see him with. Right. So it's me and the next lawyer and my brother go court. Right. So when me inside of the court places, when I'm going 1 lawyer first, the next lawyer never reached yet. So when the other lawyer reached, the lawyer said to me, the lawyer said to the police, say, yo, why so much police? Because this time I don't know what's going outside, Them say, why so much police? And the police look at him and said to him, say, I keep it to come for. Saying so the lawyer get confused now. Him go to the police and say, yo, what happened? What else happened? Well, when things say I just the matter where and him and him talk and and then me see like the lawyer flash him off and say, yo, whatever. You know what I mean? I will end up going at the courtroom. Them have me outside and thing until it was my time for get called inside. Like in the clear now, just police alone inside now. So that's when them call for me got in. So it was just me inside of the courtroom with pure police and like lawyers whether they are prosecutors or whatever. Yeah. So I just them people alone me sit in the courtroom. So anyway, but there and I mean, I never get them kind of situations before and thing. So I don't know what to expect. So I'm not gonna lie. I'm and I just a rock little bit and thing. I don't really boomy, but me a rock little. You know what I mean? Cause you feel some type of thing around through your system. You know what I mean? The judge are gonna say and I remember one of the police them said to me, say, yo, me I gonna make sure so the judge take back your bail and cause police are gonna talk and things. So. But then I listen for you what go happen, what the outcome will come out of this thing. And anyway, the police, when me a rock, so the police, a female police officer said to me, stop the rocking. Seeing, so I stop. When I stop, me see a next police just rush come over with me. They know, and him grab my waist now and him start search me in front of the judge, and thing. So.
Is that policy though?
But so the reason why me even said this, the reason why me I talk about it is because me don't know if it's normal. You know what I mean?
What court in what land?
Yeah. Me don't know if
the level of intimidation that is completely unnecessary.
I would even say intimidation. I would more put it in the light of you're trying to make me look away in front of the judge.
Right.
Like.
Would you be dumb enough to go in the court with something in your waist?
Yeah, so it's like you push a different kind of narrative to the judge now. Right. The judge or whoever in the courtroom at that time say this. Them know say, yo, listen me, I'm not of that nature, so don't have to approach me that kind of way there. Yeah. I'm not stupid when me go try to bring nothing come in a court for try to do nobody nothing. Me not crazy. Really? You know what I mean? Me not say so. You get me? So anyway, him search me in front of the judge and thing. Me hold up my hand, make him do him search, and then them proceed. Them read out the lines where in the dub plate song, Ray, and say what them are say and all of them kind of thing that to the judge, the best way them could have present it to the judge, and you know that go already, I think, because they're making a case, you know what I mean? So the lawyer get up now and the lawyer talk with the judge and Ray and them say, okay, is this a summon or is this an arrest? And Ray and them, the police make it known, say, boy, it's an arrest and Ray, so he's on bail, XYZ, and the judge say, all right, them going to extend the bail and thing until May 20. So that's my next court date, May 28th.
I hope everything goes well, because I sat down and I was reading through, you listen to different vloggers and read different articles, and to me, it's just don't play, especially like custom dubs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's freedom of speech. I'm not, it's the same where you're trying to make someone understand, for instance, in dub plate culture, you're going to kill. It's not you. Yeah, it's not literal. It's not literal. You're not trying to it's not. It's nothing like that. Yeah, it's It's not. I look, all right. This is somebody upon the live. May I show you how limited our mind space is. Somebody upon the live named Road Boy Biggs. Dog, I look, I come back. You know, you have them kind of people out there. Right. You know what I mean? Come on. None of this no makeup, brother. You see it in the paper. You see everything. It's out there. So how is I come back? Me, I look from that. You think me would have want I come back in a that light there? No. Me would have want come back with tons of big songs. As songs me want to do a comeback with. Well, let's talk about if we're going to talk about we're not reach just with the songs yet. Still, we're not reach just with the song. But me just show you how limited our mind space is as brothers and sisters out there. Where this person get in and them feeling that way, because when they're on a platform where I talk, what happen, what reach me, and them thing the animal say the dog, I look a comeback, we in our last space. Like my brother them, my fellow Jamaicans, some way we in our very last space. I want to see what I go on and understand system thing and how it work against we as people we are try. I mean, for better with life and and provide for our families and friends and all of them kind of thing there. You know what I mean? We're not wrongdoers. So we just attack what happened. How do we get the people to change? So it's not even about.
No, you can't change people. You can't change people.
You're trying to look at mindsets, look at all different things. Which brings me now to the new single. Yeah. God Pick Me.
Yeah, me have to sing a song like that. Based on, because I'm gonna tell you something, and that is why you even talk about that because it's because I feel it. When me tell you, say me feel it. Me not eat for 4 days. Seriously. And I just who they around me know that. Seeing me not eat no food for 4 days. Me I feel worry about what I go on. Remember, say me not know where them are gonna come with,
Of course.
Seeing me not know where them are come with. Me just see me name all about and me I get called from police brethrens, me I get called from all different kind of people. Other even MPs are call me and them tell me say, yo, just sit in and easy. Take care of yourself. Not up on the road and whatever. Me leave my yard. Me not stay in my yard. Me go book somewhere and stay in a somewhere for them couple days before me go to the police station, Seeing that is how worried me was about my safety and my life, because them don't know the call them when me I get on the thing them when me I hear. Because I'm me, I hear them. Seeing when me hear say raid, they on the road, even the Sunday night, police out and look for me. Police vehicle a circle my yard, undercover a circle my yard, a Spanish Town, 3 vehicle. Seeing my brother baby mother tell me she see it, a police who live in front of me tell me him see them. You understand me? So when you hear them kind of thing, you have to kind of be cautious now and try to keep yourself safe. And you're still a worry because you're a human being, brother. And you know why lose your 3 points over foolishness and them kind of thing there. Because when if you say, all right, don't play it, saying because of a don't play it. So we have to now pick sense out of nonsense, saying I know say sometimes it go further than this, but something you have to just leave them. You get me I say? Some things you have to just leave it and said, brother, until everything pull through, we can reason with the people and on the next level again.
But the next level of reasoning is the new song.
Yes.
Because me love the song.
Yeah, man, it's a nice song, man. It's a nice song. It's a nice song. Very nice song. And I mean, I tell you, I do that song there because of how I feel. Song there because of how I feel. You know?
You sure it's not a comeback song?
I say, a comeback song.
A comeback
no,
song.
all right. I can tell you this. All right, the comeback where them would have talk about when me did that do from January. That was a riot song. You can't say me. I look at comeback for the riot song. Saying, but as them say, word sound of power because the riot enough tumble down for me because, you know what I mean? The other song that I say, oh, the place quiet so, and thing I would have talk about the whole kingship thing with Beenie Man, and I say, boy, you know, if you leave Cartel, you know, make him do him thing and rate it and what have you, but, you know, me no mean nothing like, me have no ill intent against no artists and all them kind of thing that when it come on to lyrics thing, and rate because I just some me see him, I would just say some things, so just keep that part that the culture alive, the whole clash culture and them kind of thing there. So when me do that song there, that song was a comeback vibe, the riot song. But when God Pitney come do now, you can't see the riot song they've not talk about no more because what the situation it passed no, and then the situation get well serious where we have to move on to different things because me have a court case to deal with, seeing. So me only could I just go sing how me feel, which is why I sing God Pitney.
Do me a favor. Introduce a song to the listeners across the globe. I've played it already, but it's Monday and we start the week the right way with Monday Meds. So Kiprich, introduce the new song and let's get it on to the listeners right now.
Yeah, man. So this song, we're not going to hear now, people. You know, I know as everybody know the situation we go on the other day and them thing there. You know, when we get bail and as soon as we leave the station, we go straight to the studio.
People you don't know, DJ Magnum here. Rich and not champions of the craft. Big up to my fans, sir. Yeah, somewhere I talk about mental health. Tell them, say, God and wealth, yeah. Dark and bad. Some is a heartless killer. We sleep with me gun in me and extra clip under me pillow. Stop war, but me still a. Cause in my world, killing people more sweeter than vanilla. Me are the darkest nigga. Me na buy vegan, me shoot mosquito. Come and play games like you take this physical. Never know me finger crazy glue on the trigger. Boy, I got dead, you coulda white if a nigga man bust on a throat and take out on a liver. How me so cold when me walk by them shiver. Fucking monkeys, boy, you want war gorilla. Me so heartless, killer. Dark and bad.
I'm not going to overstay my time because I want to come back next year. You're going to see all the people who love dance on music wave here and there like this. Control, take you to the all to make it right. Put them up in there. King Sanctuary. That's where I'm from.
Easier. ETA, it's easier.
Someone say, if you're going to Sunfest, I'll catch you there. I don't know. Let's see. Let me tell you something. There's a lot of politics around some of these events, right? And some of the people on the board have their reasons why they may think twice about like inviting me. Especially because like there's still like pending lawsuits with VP. It's still going. It's been 3 years, but it's still going. And so, but eventually you will see me somewhere for sure, and guess what, as me tell you, somebody said, tell me, make me cuss them out for you. Them not care, because at the end of the day, let me say, politics, like, for example, some of them with up on the board may be partners in this company, or have shares in the company. And I'm not have to say nothing more, like them have shares in another company, and I'm currently in a litigation with the company for my own rights. Okay, imagine that, for my own rights, right? And sometimes fighting for your own rights can alienate you, as you can see throughout the media all over. Even with Angie Stone the other day when she was talking about how they took her rights, and for many years she got no royalties, she never got paid for anything, and she mentioned, suing them and one bag of things, and then you can see the rest, So, like, when you, as an artist, decide to fight for your rights, there's, some things that may come with it. That you have to be ready to face and to deal with, And sure enough, it has not been the easiest road to travel. and I can tell you, like, as an artist, if you're not entirely ready, like when you start a battle in anything, it will take tenacity, endurance. It takes so much. And then on top of that, like, as me say, when them have for them money for spend, right, as the company, millions of dollars, like, them would have rather pay attorneys, right? I imagine for write one summary judgment in a one case, they may charge, the attorneys may charge the company $30,000 just to write one summary judgment. In my case, they filed 2, right? And them have probably like 5, 6, 7 attorney. And I hired one set of attorneys, had to fire them because I realized I had to ask the court to withdraw them because I realized them seem compromised, And then I hire one next set, US dollar. Somebody say USD. No, we're not talking. When you hear me talk, I'm never speaking about Jamaican currency. Unless we say pound or euro or something, we not talk Jamaican currency in anything. We not spend that. Even when we're there at Jamaica, sometimes I still use my card, right? So, and you remember in a US court, there's no one accepting Jamaican currency. So you must believe. So, them have like about 7 attorney or more, right? And I hired one set of attorney when we have a fire, and then hire one next one. And the second one told me if him have to ask for the evidence when me ask him for get from them, him nah go he's gonna withdraw. So I have to tell himself to withdraw today. Nobody and him I say, no, we could talk about it. And I say, no, make sure you withdraw today because of that you say. Right? So you have to do it today. Don't play. And so from them time there till now, I've been on my own getting attorney counsel, you know, separately and maybe not in the court, but just giving advice, you know, on documents that we write. I know I'm not a lawyer, but it take all of that to do, because you have to, even if you have hired an attorney, you have to watch the attorney when you hire, because sometimes they get compromised, you know. And when we say compromise, mean like compromise. Compromise in such a way that they might stop work for you and pretend them a work for you while them a work for the other party, you know, the background and them something there. So you gotta be, it takes a lot. So if you're not ready and you can't get up in the middle of the case and say, yo, I'm not gonna do this no more, you have to write it out. And so it's been 3 years and we're still at it, you know. But I have released like 3 albums in the midst, or 2 albums and 1 live album. I can't even remember because it's so much. Toured in the midst of all of it. In all of those years, and continue to do both. And yes, somebody say it must be difficult to tour and have that. Yes, it is. Like me say, you can't just get up and start a lawsuit without being prepared mentally for all that may and will come. You know, it's not an easy ride. Yeah, so you gotta go through it, you know. It's not over till it's over. So I'm gonna post the date again. Godfather, you said, Tana, you're pretty neurotic. Make up yourself, Godfather. Yeah. So I will post the date again, my lovelies, and I will talk to you another time. You know. Stay focused, stay strong, stay positive, and never give up on life, on love, on yourself, you know. And what I'll keep an eye out for you if you have any more Florida shows. Thank you. Dre Dolly, you make me laugh. Yeah. So I will post the dates them again, you know. Somebody said, hold it, Jano, don't give up. I can't, you know. I can't say that there was never a time when I feel like just say, yo, I'm just not going to do this. Because if me if you sit down here and tell you some of the things were happen in the whole process, you know. Oh, them attorney lie. Hey, but I guess them have to do them job enough to defend them. Them lie. Them lie subtle. Lie. You know? Unbelievable. All right. Let me give you one example. We're at the point where we were supposed to, you know, discuss the jurisdiction, meaning whether the court is in the position to try the case then, or to have the litigation in that courtroom. So if we discuss jurisdiction, like the contract, one of the contracts is under the laws of the United Kingdom. One of the contracts. And because Greensleeve was a UK company at the time when I signed that agreement, it was a UK company. Then VP purchased Greensleeve, a acquired Greensleeve, right? And that acquisition was done prior to me signing the Greensleeve agreement. But they never tell me that. They didn't tell me that. They acted as if the company was still a UK company at the time. But without getting things complicated. So I'm not get too, because the argument in the matter is very complex. So in a sense, we try to go here so we don't know because it's carry weird on in the weeds somewhere. So anyway, when we reach in front of the judge now, here, one of them attorney, Your Honor, Greensleeve is a UK company, and then get a UK address and everything. Greensleeve is a UK company. So, me go for one of them old case where them did have, and go find information will contradict what him say. Not only that, I went way over in everything what them ever have. Right? And put I go where me not forgot. I mean, I went overboard in proving the fact. So I add more facts on top of the facts and put it in the court. For sure the judge then lie. So, little after that, the judge said to them, say, well, she posted the conference there. I forgot what them call it, but she posted it. And she said to them, say, if you have anything to change in the transcript, you have 14 days or 9 days, I don't know. She give them some time. I said, you must, you can change, you can make a correction to anything that you stated. Well, you know, say, he never bother go tell. He didn't bother to tell the court that he made anything. He just never bother say nothing. And then all of a sudden, you see one next attorney show up. He never bother show up again after that. I know him to lie. And that's just one example. I could go into more detail, but it's too complicated. It's too complex. Would I need about 2 days? Like, if I go do part 2 and 3 for to understand the depths of it. Even to just write the complaint or to write the argument so that the court understand it. It's very, very, because if you understand how they operate, then you can understand how difficult it is to explain the argument to the court. So if I give them piece, till now, we get to the point where it actually did come together. Some things say, I don't know, they have a good view of everything now, and it's everything a public record in us, so you can actually go into and read about it yourself and read. Some of the things that may make your jaw drop, some of the things that may confuse you because you're not going to really understand unless you're in it, or you understand the litigation process and all of these things. These are things that I had to learn over time. And as I say, as an artist, if you're not ready to go through the rigmarole and the challenges that, because they're gonna work hard and they're gonna twist and turn and go around the argument 950 times, round in a circle, avoiding the facts. And you just have to be diligent and patient enough and to go through the hours and hours. One of the documents when them file it 5 days before Christmas. And I had to tell the court, like, yo, I did not, spend family time like I should have with my kids and my family in that time, because them purposely file a document right 5 days before Christmas for me to struggle to respond And then you know me not have an attorney, so it takes me loads of time for research and write and, you know, follow the court rules, and it's a lot. So it takes me days days to respond. But when I do respond, I think it's solid enough, you know, within my capacity as a non-attorney, you know. But the facts is what is important to me, you know, the real facts. So anyway, that are some of the things. So when you say like some events or some, you know, award show. Alright, my phone just cut off. I might time that now. Big up on the stuff. We chat to one another time.
She make me feel like a little baby. Up the time I think I'm a damn